Alright, YouTube, and here is the after. And here in Jacksonville Beach, this is the south entrance. New landscape, new plants, new mulch, and new sod installed. Getting everything together for the fall holidays when everybody's going to be outside much more and enjoying themselves. It doesn't get too cold. That's why you should move down to the sunny Jacksonville Beach. Like one of my new clients who just moved to Atlantic Beach from Chicago. You should come down here where you can get outside in November without freezing temperatures. Alright. Okay. And so also did the south entrance, and the neighbor also wanted some mulch. Let me get the full view here. Not doing the best job of recording right now. See if I can get. This is the south entrance. I'm sorry, the north entrance. Everything's mulched. From this area you can see. Alright. And the neighbor, she wanted to get her beds that are adjacent to the entrance mulched. So let me get over here so I can get a better wide angle view. Looks much better with mulch. Okay. She just did the side that's next to the fence. There's another view of the island. And if you need help with your landscaping, also today completed some. I'm going to be finishing up that mulch tomorrow, and did some turf repairs. So you got to get this side repaired, filled in some low spots, and put in some fresh sod and some other low spots that aren't doing too good. Need help with your lawn? Call Florida Pro.